In this video, we'll guide you through the process of deleting your Adidas account using the official app. Whether you're looking to close your account for privacy reasons or simply no longer wish to use the service, we'll show you the steps to take. First, open the Adidas app on your mobile device. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top right. Then, click on the settings icon. After that, scroll down until you find the Manage Account option and tap on it. Finally, click on Delete icon option next to your email address. Confirm your decision by tapping on Delete Anyway. By following these steps, you can successfully delete your Adidas account through the app. Remember, this action is irreversible, so ensure that you're certain before proceeding. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.